morning, students. How are you? Hope you are all fine, doing well. Right. From today onwards, we'll be dealing some of your vocabulary as well as grammar parts in your 7th class. And today we are going to deal a grammar part in your first unit. And you got all this by looking this. You might have recollected that you studied the same things in your 6th class also, isn't it? Right. You got your you studied about your positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree there. Okay, so these we are not going in detail what is degrees of comparison, but just we will brush up what is given in your textbook only. Okay, right. So when we compare the things, we'll be comparing the things in three matter: in a positive way, in a comparative way, in a superlative way. Right. So dark, when you write the dark in comparative degree, what you are doing, you are adding er for that. See, all the comparative degrees you got for small, smaller, rich, richer, tall, taller, bright, er. Right? You will be adding er in a comparative degree. And in coming for a superlative degree, what you are doing, you are adding est, darkest, smallest, richest, tallest, brightest. So this is the general division when we write a positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. And interestingly, if you have remembered, there you got a word called melodious in your 6th class. Okay, so for that we have written different thing. According to the rule, melody or melodious will become melodiouser, melodious. Okay, that is not the case. So look here, the second division we got these type of words like useful, beautiful, delicious, right? Then what to do according to the rule, we have to add er in comparative, est in superlative. But here in the grammar we have a rule that we should not use er here. Why? I will explain you why. So useful, beautiful, delicious. So what is useful in comparative degree? It is more useful. And in superlative, what you will write? Most useful. Same thing here for beautiful. More beautiful, most beautiful. And then delicious, more delicious, most delicious. Okay. So why do we write this? Why can't we write usefuler, usefulest, beautifuler, beautifulest, deliciouser, delicious? No. Here we got a rule that if a word has more than one syllable, syllable is nothing but sound. See, here you got dark, only one sound. Small, rich, all these words have one syllable only. But coming to these words like useful, beautiful, delicious, it has more syllables. Remember, syllable is nothing but sound. So what you do? Useful, beautiful, delicious. So you are getting more than one syllable here. So if adjective gets more syllables, more than one syllable, then we have to use more in comparative, most in superlative. Okay, this is one division. And another division, there is a third division. What is that? The adjectives, what they do is they change the words. See here, much has become more and most, and good has become better and best, and bad is worse in comparative, worst in superlative degree. So you have to identify these words under which part they come, and you have to use it in a comparative, superlative. So first division is a common. If you get only one syllable, that is one sound, then you have to add ER in comparative, EST in superlative. Then you have another division, that is if you get more than one syllable, two syllables, three syllables also like that, then you will be using more in comparative, most in superlative. And there is another division where the words change. So there are some specific words like this and the words change. So this is what we will be learning in your first unit grammar part about degrees of comparison. Hope you like this video, and in YouTube you have a buttons like and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, you'll be getting more videos like this in the coming days. Bye.